Hello 11th standard business math students, welcome back to chapter 2 algebra. In permutations, fundamental principle of counting, we are going to see the second principle, that is our addition principle of counting. Okay, what does this addition principle means? If there are two jobs, each of which can be performed independently in m ways and n ways, then either of the two jobs can be performed in m plus n ways. This is called as the addition principle of counting. Now I'll explain it with the example. We have got here 3 pencils and 2 ball pen. Okay, now our question is, pick any one item. So how are we going to do that? We are going to take either, let this be P1, P2, P3, and this one B1 and this one B2. Okay, we are going to pick P1 or P2 or P3 or the ball pen 1 or the ball pen 2. So what does this mean? So you can pick P1 or P2 or P3 or ball pen 1 and ball pen 2. So we are using the word or. You can pick only one. Okay, so or means addition. So this is important, you have to remember. When will you get addition? When you choose or, either this or that, either this or that, any one. When you get that type of questions, this is going to be addition. How am I telling it is addition? How many pencils we have got? 3 pencils, so 3 ways. How many ball pens you have got? 2 ball pens, so 2 ways, and total you will get the answer as how much? 5 ways. That is how we get our m plus n ways. Okay, so this is called as the addition principle of counting. Okay, or when you choose one or. Okay, let us see one example from the book. Example 2.14. There are 6 books on commerce. So commerce I will name it as C and accountancy I will name it as A. For commerce you have got 6 and for accountancy you have got 5. Okay, now here what is the question? In how many ways can a student purchase either a book on commerce or a book on accountancy? So the given is or. Always remember or means plus. Okay, so this is important. Okay, or whenever you get a question in or, either or, then it is going to be as addition principle. Okay, in how many ways we can choose a commerce book? In 6 ways. In how many ways we can choose a accountancy book? In 5 ways. Okay, so then by the addition principle, therefore by addition principle of counting, the total number of ways of purchasing any one book. Okay, he is going to purchase only one book, isn't it? How many ways a student can purchase? So by the addition principle of counting, total number of ways for purchasing one book is going to be 6 ways plus 5 ways. That is nothing but 11 ways is your answer. Okay, understood? This is called the addition principle of counting. Thank you.